Dave Johnson here with Day Trade the Markets. Just want to let you know I've got a buy limit in here at 59.93. Hopefully we're going to get filled on this shortly. I don't think it's going to get all the way down here to the 88 area which is where the natural support is, at least intraday today. So just wanted to bring you up to date on that, and we'll see how it goes. I just brought in the time here at 7:51 in the morning, which is 10:51. So market's been open for about an hour and 20 minutes. So I'll pause the recording now. Hopefully we'll get filled on this and I can restart the recording. Okay, just restarting the recording. I put in another order here to buy another 4 at a little bit of a higher price, 96.25, and it just got down to 96.50, so didn't quite get filled on that. I think I'm going to go ahead though, and I'm going to go ahead and just lift that a little bit. I'll lift it a point here, get in at 97.25. There we go. And I've got this other buy limit. I'm going to increase that by just a tick to 93.25. So I'm also going to put a protective sell stop in here, and it's going to have to be for 8 contracts. I'm just, as a God forbid kind of thing, I'll put it in right there. So at least we're in for 4 here. I think it's going to rally. It might not get down to this other level at 93. Who knows, it might, but I've got the stop at least initially down here at 86, and I'll likely be moving that fairly soon. So that's it for now. It is just getting on for 8 o'clock here, my time, Pacific time, so it's almost 11 o'clock Eastern time. So market's been open for roughly an hour and a half. So I'll pause the recording here and pick it up when needed. Okay, just restarted the recording. I want to let you know I put a limit order in to sell 2 of the 4 contracts at a 5-point profit. So just want to bring you up to date on that. So once again, I'll pause the recording. Okay, just restarted the recording. It's up near our first objective, so I'm going to cancel this other buy limit. I'm going to change this stop here on the quantity, bring that down to just 4. And I'm going to raise that stop all the way up here to break even. So, and I'll just put that marker there, and maybe I'll just shift this down so we can perhaps see it a bit better. There we go. Okay, we just got filled on our first objective, so I need to adjust the quantity here on the stop. I think I'll leave the placement the same, right at break even. So we got 5 points in the first 2 contracts. Now as far as the next objective goes, you can see the high of the day here is up around 6,000. We just got filled here at, I'm sorry, 6,005. We just got filled here, and it was 6,002.25. So I'm going to go ahead and put right near the high of the day to sell 1 contract, sell limit 6,005.25. That'll give us an extra 3 points on that should it get filled. We got a break-even stop in there, and I'll also put this marker up to where that objective is. So got everything in place for the time being, and just check on the time here. It's 8:07. Haven't been in this trade too long here, so hopefully we can the market continue to rally and we'll hit that next objective. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, just restarting the recording again here. It's 8:11. You can see the market did dip down here. It gives a couple of deceleration bars. The low of that is at 66,000.25. So I'm going to bring the stop up to just a point below that at 99.25. There we go. That's going to lock in 2 points on the final 2 contracts. So, but we're getting fairly close to our second objective here, so hopefully that'll get hit fairly soon. So once again, I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Just resuming the recording here. As you can see, it's very, very close to getting us stopped out, so just thought I'd get it started again. So anyway, just bring you up to date on that. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and pause the recording again. Okay, just restarting the recording here. You can see we just got stopped on that previous bar there at 99.25, so just a 2-point profit on the second 2 contracts, and we had a 5-point profit on each of the first 2 contracts. So what's that? 5 and 5 is 10, and 2 and 2 is 4, so 14 points on that particular trade. So it didn't last all that long. I guess we're in that trade for roughly half an hour. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.